there. Friends. Friends. We are best friends. Now we are best friends, guys. Nah? Friends with benefit. If you sad, I'm sad. If you happy, I'm happy. If you're horny, I'm horny. If you're horny, I'm horny. Let's call friends, nah? Okay, friends there. Friends. Friends. We are best friends. Now we are best friends, nah? Now I'll write your name here. I mean tattoo here, okay? Here. And you write my sandal number here. Yeah. You write my... Holy guys, look, oh my god, the Sukusar is back. Mr. Politics, Mr. Horlicks, Mr. Sherlock. How are you, sir? How are you?
I'm fucking you.
I'm fucking you.
I'm fine. Oh, I mean, he said, I'm fine. And what about you? Yeah, I'm also fine.